Hello and welcome to this lecture. What is Node.js? Node.js is a runtime environment for server-side and networking applications. Runtime is a general term that refers to any library, framework, or platform that your code runs on. Node.js is also open source. By open source, it means that software that people can modify and share because it is designed for public access. Node.js is also cross-platform. By cross-platform, that means it will work on a Windows machine, on a Mac, on a Linux, so it can work across multiple platforms. Node.js was built on top of Google's Chrome's runtime engine, which is known as the V8. So it is built on top of Google Chrome's JavaScript runtime, which is known as the V8 engine. Node.js applications are written in JavaScript. It is also lightweight and portable. Developers love Node.js because it enables you to write both your front-end and back-end applications in the same language. Who is using Node.js? There are lots of companies currently using Node.js. Some of the key ones are Yahoo, and then you've got Netflix, PayPal, Uber, LinkedIn. We've got eBay as well using Node.js, and then we've got Google, Trello, GitHub, and we've also got Walmart. So these companies all use Node.js in some aspects of their software. This is just a very tiny list of companies that use Node.js in some aspects of their business or software. If you want a more detailed list, you can do a quick Google search and you should see lots more companies that use Node.js.